Okay, here we are at IKEA, boys and girls, and the hardest part about IKEA is finding a parking spot. Now, if you're done with a cart, you just throw it anywhere. That's the deal.
In a parking spot, up on the grass, take it home with you.
It's fine. Just do it.
Yeah,
parking spot, parking spot, parking spot. Like, see, look at all these fatties. Go try to get close. And we'll go here in the boondocks. There's one. There's one. Oh, look, here's one. Right here, right behind this Mustang from Alberta. Home, boys. You can't say that. We parked straight up the escalator. Watch this.
Oh goodness. Oh, I don't think that's allowed.
Yep, it is. They wouldn't put it there if you couldn't use it. Watch this.
I feel like, yeah.
Wait. That's close. We don't really go the way the arrows go. We go whichever way we want to go.
Yeah.
Everybody's going the wrong way. They left their toys in the pile. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get in a crash.
Oh my gosh, because
There
we're
we go.
going the wrong way.
Well, but we don't want to go here. Let's back up here.
We don't. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so this is not where.
What's that over there?
What? Oh.
We're totally going that way. Ready? Skeet skirt. This way.
Oh.
Oh, it's so good though. It's a little bit warehousey, but I mean, other than that, you want this for your room?
Sure.
Hells to the yeah.
I mean, I don't think it would fit, but.
Well, we just move your bed out of the way. What if you had a Murphy bed?
Oh, stop and walk.
And a Murphy couch.
What is this? What the? Why is there a stool on the wall?
Look at this quality.
Yeah.
It doesn't rub at all. Oh, I like that kitchen way better than ours. Look at gray. That's how we get down. And this stove is better than our stove too. All of our stuff. Oh, it doesn't work.
Oh well, yeah.
I feel like it's real though. Oh, soup's ready. Just kidding. It's a display thing though. Making these pants. Joe. It's good. I like it.
Are they your size?
Yeah. I feel like they're close.
Okay.
Scatus. Pegboard. Oh, 64 bucks. Are you out of your mind?
Oh, stop.
I'll just take this part. That's pretty cool though, don't you think?
Yeah.
Not as cool as my shelves though. Here, turn on the water. They know some dumbass. I don't know if we go in the tubs. Sister? Someone?
Not going the right way.
Ooh. So, how old can you be before bunk beds are just not okay? Like, check this bad boy out. Pan down, show them here's the ladder. You can't climb because it's got to be safe.
Because it's IKEA.
And then up here you got all your shizzle. But then you got a bunk bed. Like, all you're doing is sleeping in it, boys. Could I have a bunk bed? I mean, I'm like 25. You get the stool. You get the birch chair. You get the loft bed with desk. You even get the refrigerator. Where's the refrigerator? Right there. You get the freaking refrigerator.
I want a refrigerator in my room.
Dude. Ballet stand with mirror, a wardrobe.
Oh. There's stuff in it.
Oh, I'm thirsty. What's in it?
You can have some.
Cider? Yeah.
Yeah, Swedish pear cider.
What?
I bet if you opened it, you could just chug it
See,
right
they got
here.
alcohol in it, boys.
Does it actually?
Yeah. 50 grams of sugar too, so you know it's good for you, because sugar is good for you.
Sugar and alcohol.
Oh, that's all you really need.
I really want this now, just so I can have a fridge in my room. I'll never have to leave.
Let's get it. So, Lauren.
So, Father.
Beds. Okay, do we need to find that? Oh, I got a drippy lip. Do we need to find another
Gross.
Flip up.
There's a dog.
Oh, you got one. Got a new kind of car.
Oh, oh.
Oh.
Sorry, did I have you?
And so the direction was to look at other stores, and you did?
Okay, so the next clips are just me being really bored and singing to all the music in the store, so I sped it up because
Nobody wants to watch that.
but it just shows how indecisive we are.
What?
Smoking is awesome, Lauren.
We're gonna get run
Piggyback is the best way to go. This guy's never gonna park this car. Wow, you're pretty.
Pretty stupid.
Oh, that was mean. Hey, there's my truck. Lauren, what did you eat? A smaller child?
Oh, goodness.
Girl. I should have brought some snacks.
Oi! Oh, it's really cute. I love that!
Ew!
Oh, it's so refreshing. Okay, friends, so here's the deal. How's my chins looking? Okay, coming out. When you're going to IKEA and you're
You're gonna browse McBrowserson?
find the thing that you're looking for in the warehouse first. Like if you already know, we were going for a book, no, what is it called? Drawers, storage drawers. Boom, 5 in stock. Nay, nay. I say nay, nay. There's none in stock. But maybe there are, maybe there aren't.
Anyway,
Go right to the shelf and find out if it's there or not. And then if it's not, you can skirt to a different store. And skirt we shall. Okay, so come on boys, let us out. There's a lot of traffic in Toronto.
Yeah.
Hey, so everybody should have shirts on that say, "Hi, my name is," and then have a blank that say,
oblivious.
I just saw somebody who looks like James Charles, but it's not James Charles because we're in Toronto, so.
That's racist. Right, like this. No. 5 in stock. Oh shit. Well, 20.
Go!
I'm not that heavy.
Oslos?
Oswald Gulowski.
02, 612, 95. Right there.
Is it even gray?
02, 612, 95. It's gray, look at that. That's way better. Let us in. Alright, get on the cart, little bitch. Oh, I forgot my wallet.
I would kill you.
Oh, maybe we should take one that hasn't been dropped so hard. Like this. Gently, gently, gently. Oh, jeez. And we're gone. You okay, bro?
Excuse me.
I got cart rage.
So mad.
Break all the ankles.
I'm gonna break all the ankles with my cart.
Oh, sorry.
Walking so
I didn't
slow.
make that.
Why is he walking so slow? Hey, nobody said you could. Linda, watch it.
Back into it. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Full sign. Let's go.
Zoom in
1,
on
2,
the
3,
lap.
go. Sorry, excuse me, my fault. She's gonna fall.
There we go like that.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's oh.
I have little legs.
Wow.
Wow.
What?
Yeah, let's bring snow pants, she says. Everybody hates the freaking cold, boys. Left with our back. Oh. I don't want this thing anymore.
And where do we put the cart?
Under that
Get up. Get up.
Hello?
I don't cardio so well.
Did you knock him with the seatbelt?
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Right, 1 hour, 1 minute.
95 kilometers. I bet I can do it in
45 minutes.